tap it on. And do not worry that if it's gonna be perfect or not, because basically with marbling, when you do marbles, then none of marbling are look identical. So then if your clients are getting a little bit upset if they don't see you, you have to explain it to them first, so they won't being surprised like, I want it exactly like this. Let it set for just a second. And what you're gonna use, you're gonna using this. I freaking love that crystal clear, because this crystal clear is basically a solution, and the ratio of solution is make it really amazing. It's make it so much easy, and you don't want to use too much of this because less is more. If it's too much, we can do it the purple, but let me see if I have a base on a purple. If we do too much of that, maybe we can do both of them. Purple too. But do purple. Let's do 2 of them. So let it set first, and then you dab another colors on it. This is so pigmented. All right, what you do, you're gonna using that crystal clear and let it set for a second. Shiny claws, sure. Like sometimes if you're seeing me on the shows, I got to see you in person at the shows, we're doing like 5 different colors, but it turned out super cute. So now let it set for a second, and then now you're gonna blend that using a crystal clear. Less is more. Hold this. Thank you. Tuna Max, thanks so much. Okay, just a little bit. You don't want to use too much, because if you use too much, you're gonna wash it out, which is, we don't want that. Make sure you wipe off your brush on a piece of paper before you dip it in another. I want to make it really nice, like clean veins for my fusionings. And with this, literally would do super easy for you. Make sure you wipe it off the brush. And do it, just don't use too much of crystal clear. Wipe it off. And literally, you don't even need to use any other brush. You can literally see me doing it from this crystal clear brush. Yeah, I like that. That's it. I think I'm happy, and if you're not happy, you can draw your veins more. Try not to get to the cuticle, because you don't want it blending going into the cuticle. It's gonna be the pigment is gonna get into the cuticle. It doesn't look good. So I think it looks really good. I like it like that. I want a little bit purple right there. More veins right here. You would never go wrong with this. I'm so freaking like it. If you don't like it, you can do more. You know, you can play more with this. And give it more veins here if you want more. Like, you see what I mean? So like, it looks so nice. Hi Instagram, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you all have a great Saturday. It's like a busy Saturday for everyone. Great, so now if I'm happy with this, I can either do a transfer foil, which is, should I do transfer foil's veins or should I do the gel painting? Now you pick. We can only do one because they're gonna show this gel painting or foil. Thank you, Nuna. Paint, okay. Ilmatics, Bobby. Let's do some painting. Back to my really a magic wand. I don't know what to do without this because I'm literally where my twin tip brush. I'm panicked because it's really do a magic for me. It helped me so much with my work. Feel so much confident because if I need the light brush, I have it. Foil. We can do
So you want to do the bottom?
Foil. Should we do foil on the bottoms?
I don't know, gel painting at the bottom first, and then foil.
Okay, like do gel painting on the bottom. Oh, hold on. Then let's do some foil, okay?
First?
And then first. Everybody want to see the foil.
Yeah, cut them.
Okay. My cute palettes. So I'm gonna drop one drop of my premium's eye hole transfer foil. And I'm gonna use my twin tip brush. And I am going to draw I would do a thinned veins. I can do both of them though. I can do both of them in foil. I would think it's gonna be a looks good combination of that. Great. All right, I like it. I just want to get some space for the painting too. Let me pop this guy into the lamp for about 30 seconds. I'm freaking excited. Shiny claws. Okay, we're gonna do painting a little bit. We just want to do a foil and a paint together. I love you ladies so much. That's why I'm like accommodate everyone. Hope you all enjoy the live videos and you really enjoy. Even you can pick one tip and tricks out of the video. It's a winning to me because it's mean a lot to me that, you know, I can able to, how do I say, to participate or to be part of your adventures in your career. And I am so proud of you. I'm so proud of you with all your mindset that win-win. All right, ready? I need the longer one though. But don't worry, here. Let me do, instead of that, I got it. It's okay. So cameramen give me like a really little piece of it, but it's okay. Life give you a lemon, you make lemons. What? Nate. I said lemon juice. Or maybe I cut lemons and then put it in my salmons and bake it, you know, to whatever. Look at it. Ready? Ah, it looks so freaking cute. Dynamics. Oh, absolutely. My pleasure, sweetie. I hope you're enjoying it. All right, so now put this on the side. I'm gonna just dab a little bit of my gel painting. I freaking love this one. You know why? Because it's so, the pigment is so pigmented. The color is so pigmented that when you paint it, even you want to try one pot of jar, even the black and white, gold and silver, pick one of your favorites one and check it out yourself, because I can tell it from a video, because you have to experience it yourself how pigmented. I'm so pleased with this because it's just really helped my painting, because I'm not like a crazy like really artistic. My husband, my brother, my dad is so freaking like artists, like painting and stuff, but not me. But this is really helping me with like the stroke. I feel so much confident now when I paint. I got to share with you. So, you know, if I can really do this freaking thing that easy, you ladies and gentlemen can completely do it too. Look at that. It doesn't look much different from a foyer. Oh, it looks so cute. I just want to show you both with the foil and then painting. That's it. I add just a little bit of the gel painting. Maybe a little bit here.
The actual color for gel painting.
This color of gel painting,
Golden touch.
golden touch. Whatever you want to do it. I just don't want that one to be lonely, so I give it a little bit veins.
Huh? Just say some miss that. Just rewatch it.
Who's that?
Over here, and I also, oh no, I miss it.
Don't worry, you don't miss it. You can watch rewatching it when we're done with the live video, sweetie. Great. So I'm gonna pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds because I'm keeping my gels. This is, I have to say that, how do I really like showing you, because from a live video, if you get one of this, you watch one of the video, several video before that, how I using a gel painting doing a flower brush. The flower brush is so solid pigment, so you don't have to go back and forth so many times. Look at how pigment it is. Let me get it. I don't know. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Because the pigment is so pigmented, so then when you paint in it, you feel so much confident. You don't get nervous. Oh my God, holy smoke, it's gonna come out translucent. It's not. It's just freaking like solid. So from a person like, I have to saying it like not really artistic like my family, sibling, and my dad, but I can get this down because this is really helped that much. Golden touch, that's the number 001. You can get even like one single part. You don't have to get whole set if you don't like, not sure that you're gonna need whole set or not. This one is freaking cute. Either you're gonna do a matte or a shiny. What should we do now? Shiny or matte? But well, if we put matte on, your foil and stuff gonna be in like a matte as well. You want shiny? Everyone wants shiny? Spamolix. Great. I'm bet you're gonna really like it. It's just make it so much better. Okay. Are we doing a no wipe shiny top coat, or are we going to do a matte top coat? What's my other matte top coat?
No shiny.
Shiny. Okay, shiny. Both shiny and matte. Look at this, is a matte, but then we're doing it shiny. We're doing a no wipe shiny. I opened it already. I'm so obsessed with this. So first one, we'll plan to do green, but because Shiny Claws want purple, so we did both of them. Look at how combination of it is really awesome. Great. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds.